guys, thank you for watching this video. I'm Chippin. All I'm asking from y'all is to help me grow my channel by subscribing to my channel, liking and watching my videos, and also sharing so other people can see it. And in the meantime, I'm going to keep bringing in more vlogs and cooking videos. Thank you very much for your support. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Chippin, and on today's show, what we're gonna cook is garlic butter, lobster, and some salsa. Now, if you haven't tried this combination before, I hope that this video motivates you. So what we have here is some fresh pepper, jalapenos, some parsley, tomatoes, onions, minced garlic, lime, and of course our butter. Y'all know what time it is? It's about to go down. Now let's get cooking. To begin with the salsa, first off, I'm gonna heat up my skillet, and into it goes the vegetables, which is the onion, tomato, and the pepper. This process is not necessary if you don't want it. You can skip it and just go on to the next step. But I love smoky flavor, and this is just to incorporate smoky flavor into your salsa. You all know what time it is. Keep turning to ensure that it's evenly charred. After your vegetables are charred to your desire, into the blender goes minced garlic. A little bit more. Right. And then the tomatoes. I almost forgot these, your parsley. So what we're gonna do is take a bit of it. Right before you blend it, squeeze in some lime. Yeah. All that. And some salt. We all set. Just look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Now that we're done with our salsa, we're gonna begin our garlic butter lobster. You don't know what time it is? About to go down. So with a scissors, you cut it down the middle, all the way to the tail, and then you pull the meat up. It can be tough at times, and if the shells keep cracking, no problem. Just focus on getting the meat out. Just like so. Right to the tail. Now you take the meat out. What I'm gonna do is season our lobster with some Old Bay seasoning. You don't know what time it is. Some salt for taste. Some onion powder. Be generous with it. Some cayenne pepper to add some kick to it. Now, you can add paprika or smoked paprika, whichever works for you. And small pepper seasoning. And we're good. This is gonna sit for a little bit before it goes in the oven. So now that we're done seasoning our lobster, we're gonna proceed to chop our parsley. Like so. Make sure your parsley is fine. Yeah, I think we're good. I think we're good. Look at that. We're good. So a little bit of olive oil in your pan. And into the pan goes your lobster. There you go. It's ready to go in the oven. There you have it. So it's gonna be in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Next, into the same heated skillet that we use to char our vegetables, I'm gonna throw in some butter. Some more butter. Minced garlic, some lime. I love lime. And parsley. Give it a gentle stir. It's popping up, popping up. After being on the heat for, let's say, a minute, it's all good. On medium heat though. So it's now been 12 minutes now. So I'm gonna set it up here like so. With my parsley garlic butter sauce. Just look at that. Look at that. Look at that. There's a money shot. There's a money shot right there. So now we're gonna put this back in the oven for about 2 to 3 minutes on broil. So after a minute in the oven on broil, it's all done, ready for the stomach. Y'all know what time it is. There we go. I'm gonna have this with pasta. Yeah. Just look at that. Look at that joint. Y'all look at that. Take a look at that. You like that? So add a little bit of butter. You'll see that? You'll see that, don't you? There we go. There we go. So now we're done with everything. The salsa, the garlic butter lobster, and we have our tasting officer.
It's very fresh. It's good. Very good.
You like it?
That's a home run. Oh my god. What did you put in this?
So it's a mixture of onion powder, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and I made my the garlic butter thing. Yep, I'm glad you like it.
This is great. This is really good. Oh.